Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Shepa and you're watching Shepa's Diary. Today's video is all about my hair. This probably is the most requested video in my channel, and today I will share with you one of my most favorite hair masks. This is basically a DIY hair mask, and this has changed my hair over the year a lot. And right now I'm going to share with you my most favorite hair mask that I've been using once every week for last couple of years. So I've been basically using this kind of hair mask my whole entire life, but specifically this combination I've been using for last 2 years, and this helped with my hair a lot. So here it is. At first you need to change and wear some t-shirt that you don't care about very much, because this mask can get a little bit messy. And the first component of our hair mask today is coconut oil, and the coconut oil I'm using here today is basically a cooking coconut oil that I like to use in my hair. And this is organic virgin coconut oil. It's unrefined. You can really tell that I've been using this coconut oil for a while. I have gone through half of it already, you can see it. And yeah, this coconut oil has been one of my most favorite. And so at first you take like 1 teaspoon of this coconut oil for my hair length, but if you have short hair you might need a little less. And then you microwave it for like 30 seconds, maybe 20 seconds would be enough to get this beautiful liquid coconut oil. This smells so good. The next element of this hair mask is one of my most favorite hair oil. Sometimes I just use this oil itself in my hair because it's sweet almond 100% pure softening hair oil, and this oil makes your hair so soft. Sometimes I just use this oil itself without any hair mask or anything. After showering, I just use this in my wet hair, a very tiny little bit, and it makes my hair go so silky and nice. So here in this mask, I'm using 1/3 teaspoon of this oil. The very last component of this hair mask is this Shea Moisture 100% pure Jamaican black custard oil. Now custard oil is really good for your hair. It helps to grow new hairs. It helps to store the moisture. So basically this oil is helping you to regrow new hair, and also helps to keep the moisture locked in your hair. So that's really good stuff. So I'm using like another like a little less than 1/3 teaspoon of this oil, and then I will be giving it a really nice mix. And make sure that it's all mixed, because black custard oil cannot be used by itself, so it needs another oil to mix with it. So here the coconut oil and also the sweet almond oil is helping for this black custard oil to dissolve in there. So you just kind of have to really mix it very well before you apply it. And then we'll mostly focus into our scalp when we are applying it. And now here comes how to apply this mask. What I do and what I found is very useful is I make little section of hair. I part my hair in a little section at a time, and then I gently massage into that little section of my scalp. So that way we'll be just doing this little section at a time for your entire scalp. And then I will be taking like a couple of minutes to just gently massage my entire scalp, so that the oil gets absorbed in your scalp, and also it helps with the blood circulation. That helps for hair growth as well. And then the very last part is to take rest of the oil and just put it into all over your hair. So when I apply a hair mask or hair oil, I usually used to leave this hair mask or hair oil in my hair for overnight, but right now for a couple of years I just leave it on my hair for 2 hours, and then I just wash it off, and that works just perfectly fine for me right now. So I usually do it in a Friday night, and I just put this hair oil, put in a bun, and leave it on for a couple of hours. And then when you wash it, you get some silky, beautiful, healthy hair. If you have chemically treated rough hair, please go ahead and try this hair mask once and see the difference. You will love it. And the shampoo and conditioner and all other hair care product that I use, I plan on making a different video and showing more stuff about my hair. And yes, I'm very picky about the stuff that I pick for my hair, and I'm going to share with you guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I'll see you guys back again in another video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. I love you all. Bye bye.